I'm going to program a code on a Napco K-Series keypad. If you have a menu button, it's a K-Series. First, you're going to put your code in. Then you're going to press menu.
Display zone directory. Press yes to select.
Then you're going to
no to
keep pressing menu until it says activate program.
Activate program. Press yes to select or no to skip.
I'm going to press yes. Not all the keypads talk. This one happens to. So user 1, that's what U01 means, and my code right now is 1, 2, 3, 4. To move the cursor, if you want to change it, depending on your panel, you could have up to 90 codes. So if you wanted to go to user 10, you'd put 1, 0. Okay, which right now shows is empty. But I'm going to go back to user 1. And then menu moves the cursor, so you go under the first number, you put your code in, and then you press enter to save it. Then reset will get you out. Then what I recommend is turning the alarm on,
System is arming
and then trying the code,
Please exit now.
and enter to shut it off. Oh, it worked, and that's it.